Hey guys, I want to show you my custom Green Ninja, so let's get started. Here he is. The top right here got broken, but I got a silver Sharpie and fixed it. Everything is made out of Sharpie except the white dots and the chest over there, the robe under the suit is made out of a paint marker. So yeah, they're both good. So yeah. Right there, my mom had to scrape it off because I did some bad stuff. Because I put white marker on, the same paint marker on it, and I couldn't get it off, so Mom used a knife to scrape it off, and then it took all the way back to the blue. And then if I cleaned off the green, it would take it all the way back to the blue. So it would be an all-blue helmet. It's like 2011. But I kept it clean, and then we bought silver Sharpie. And then I went over the blue part. Oh, sorry. Then it was fixed. So yeah. Oh yeah. And this video was from Lego Master 0802. Signing out. Bye.